Right, so we've got this Harvard 420M. It's in a box. It's got the instruction book. It's got some miles on the clock. I've not put the screws in the lid, so I'm going to need to check the VCO tomorrow. Having changed the VCO trimmer today, and then found some dry joints as well. So, original mic, screw missing in the mic plug. Nothing I can do about that. We haven't got any teeny weeny screws, so. We did have, I must order some more from Knights at Curtin in Lindsay. So, make sure, he was talking away as well on 19, but with an echo. I wish I knew what echoes were all about, it just makes it muffled. If it was any good, the military would have them, and space would have them, and the police would have them. But there you go. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger. I'll plug the extension squeaker in. So on the Harvard 420 you get a slightly bigger speaker, 3.5 inch instead of 3 inch. And
You ready to go?
am I in the right socket? Not quite.
Tango 21. Are you ready?
Not quite.
Let me know.
Right, we're ready now.
Roger.
We've got a tone control on this set.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger that, we've got this tone control.
Roger that. So as always, we go down the lane towards which
Bassy,
lane by. Whatever's
trebly.
green in the field next to me is even greener today.
Good, it's a rotary one and it makes a bit of a difference. So there we go, demonstration over.
Roger. Alright, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Sure.
Passing Lancaster service station 143.9 and 145.9.
Roger on that. Somebody said it was all 130, so I guess 10 to go as leavers.
Very good. Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're going to Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
You've got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Harvard 420M 1981, using the Cybernet 134 chassis on the Flash original microphone and doing a full on loop.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger, gotcha.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford at level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Got you at the 5 mile point, so on this Harvard 420M, it's doing 1.25 amps to do 4 watts, and I'm going to put it to low power, which I've set to 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to normal power over.
Yeah, roger that. All received on full power. You had to lower the squelch considerably to hear anything on low power, and it wasn't really legible, so there you go.
So there you go, it's going to change from day to day, and even 2 inches different position. So off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 143.7 and 145.9. Over.
Roger on that. Well, that's not good. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Yeah.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 143.7 and 145.9. Over.
Roger on that. Well, that concludes the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Well, that worked absolutely great. We'll go through to our base station and see what it sounds like with the factory original mic into our Midland 77 900.
Tango 21 testing the Harbour 420M with the factory original microphone into our Midland 76 900 base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. We'll just pop it on low power just in case there's some hum. And now we're on low power doing 400 milliwatts and then back to high power. So there we go, Harbour 420M